Most people never build significant wealth for one simple reason. They only know how to trade time for money. They clock into work every day, put in overtime, and earn nothing if they stop working. But if you look at how regular Americans boost their income, you'll find a crucial truth. The real gap between those who live paycheck to paycheck and those with extra cash doesn't come from grinding longer hours. It comes from those boring, underrated business ideas that most people ignore completely. Today, I'm breaking down 10 dull, overlooked zero-cost businesses that keep generating income for you even while you sleep, rest, or go on vacation. None of these ideas are flashy viral trends. There's no get-rich-quick gimmick. And you don't need special talent, a college degree, or any upfront capital. All you have to do is build a simple automated system once, and it will run passively with almost no maintenance afterward. If you're tired of relying solely on your salary, sick of exchanging every hour of your day for cash, and eager to build income streams that operate 24 hours nonstop, this video will completely reshape how you think about side income. The first low-effort, sleep-earning business is organizing free public resources and selling package templates. This work is incredibly tedious, which is why most people refuse to touch it, and that's exactly what makes it consistent and profitable. Across the U.S., office workers, students, and small business owners are constantly short on time, and they're constantly searching for ready-made spreadsheets, checklists, templates, guides, copy frameworks, tax documents, and daily life planners. All this information is free online, but it's scattered, disorganized, and unstructured. Your job is to filter, categorize, format, and polish all this public data into clean, instant-use resource bundles. You only create the package once, yet you can sell it endlessly. Even when you're asleep, people will search for your materials, make purchases, and send money straight to your account. It's one of the most reliable hands-off income methods available. The second boring business is local second-hand consignment sales for neighborhood residents. This offline side gig has been steady in America for decades, and it never runs out of clients. Nearly every household owns piles of unused furniture, appliances, tools, books, and sports gear that they replace regularly. But most Americans hate taking product photos, writing listing descriptions, posting items online, negotiating prices with buyers, and coordinating handoffs. They'd rather pay a commission than handle all that hassle themselves. You simply help local neighbors photograph, list, market, and complete transactions for their unused belongings, earning a cut from every sale. After you build a steady local client base, new listings and sales will roll in naturally. Transactions can happen overnight while you're asleep, and you don't spend a single dollar on inventory or risk. All your profit comes from service commissions. Third, audio transcription and written proofreading services. Thousands of American content creators, podcasters, and office professionals record hours of audio and video footage every week that needs to be converted into polished written scripts. Free AI transcription tools often produce messy text with misspellings, disjointed sentences, and messy formatting, and nobody wants to spend hours manually correcting every line. You can use free transcription software to generate rough drafts, then carefully proofread, fix errors, split paragraphs, and standardize layouts. The work is repetitive and monotonous, yet demand never fades. Once you build a portfolio and positive client reviews, new orders will flow in automatically. Return customers and new inquiries will keep coming even when you're resting at night. Fourth, refining free stock media assets for commercial use. The internet is full of copyright-free high-definition images and backgrounds that anyone can use legally at no cost. Small U.S. businesses, social media creators, and online shop owners constantly need cohesive, polished visuals for their content, yet they lack basic editing skills for color grading, cropping, tone unification, and composition adjustments. You don't need drawing skills or original design talent at all. All you do is retouch free stock photos, adjust colors, remove watermarks, and align every asset to a unified aesthetic, turning plain free images into sellable commercial packs. You can resell these edited bundles repeatedly after one round of work, creating fully automated revenue that accumulates while you sleep. Fifth, compiling localized life QA guides. Millions of people constantly search for clear, simple walkthroughs about moving, apartment rentals, overseas study, certification exams, road trips, and daily life hacks. Official public resources are wordy, fragmented, and confusing for the average person who doesn't have hours to sort through dense official text. You gather scattered public information and real-life experience, Then organize everything into easy-to-follow QA lists, step-by-step tutorials, and mistake avoidance handbooks. This project takes time to build and feels tedious, but it carries massive compound value. Once your guides are published online, they will stay searchable forever. Viewers will find, read, and pay for your guides late at night, generating income long after you finish updating them. 6th, building a library of pre-written copy templates, the highest profit, most compounding option out of all these boring businesses. Countless small shop owners, independent entrepreneurs, and social media creators across the U.S. struggle to write promotional captions, product blurbs, event scripts, profile bios, and private message replies. They refuse to spend time learning copywriting and formatting, so they happily pay for ready-to-use templates they can edit instantly. You batch create universal templates for daily posts, holiday promotions, product launches, personal introductions, and customer service replies. You only draft them once, but you can reuse and sell them infinitely to new clients. No daily management is required once your template library is finished, letting it generate passive income automatically around the clock. 7th, content quality checks and error correction services. This is an extremely undersaturated niche with constant high demand, and the work is nothing but repetitive detail checking. Most self-media creators and small business owners can't spot awkward phrasing, messy formatting, punctuation mistakes, and logical gaps in their own content after staring at it for hours. They're willing to outsource full reviews, edits, and polishing work to attentive freelancers. Your daily tasks involve reading, cross-checking, revising, and refining text. Slow, tedious labor, but extremely consistent. Once you establish a reputation for accuracy, clients will reach out to you without extra marketing work. 8th, systematizing fragmented online knowledge into complete guide packs, the key shift from hourly active work to true passive sleep income. The internet is flooded with free disjointed content about self-discipline, money-saving tactics, career growth, time management, and emotional regulation. Most viewers absorb these short clips and articles but walk away without a complete actionable framework. Your job is to gather all these scattered tips, filter out useless content, sort them logically, and compile everything into structured checklists, handbooks, and full guides. You only invest time into the compilation process once, yet your guides will attract traffic and sales indefinitely. One-time effort creates long-term earnings that hit your bank account while you're asleep. 9th, online accountability and progress tracking services. Procrastination is widespread among Americans, creating huge demand for study supervision, fitness check-ins, schedule planning, task tracking, and goal coaching. You don't need professional teaching or fitness expertise. You simply send regular reminders, log daily check-ins, organize progress reports, and share status updates with your clients. The service relies on repetitive, routine tasks that feel dull, but the audience base is massive and demand never dries up. After you lock in a stable group of recurring clients, you'll receive automatic monthly payments with minimal daily upkeep. 10th, basic page setup and profile filling for new online stores and creator accounts. Every single day, hundreds of new small businesses and social media profiles launch across the U.S. New founders don't understand page formatting, profile setup, category organization, and core content filling, yet fully completed profiles are mandatory for running any online operation. Most new creators find this administrative work boring and overwhelming, so they outsource the entire process. You only need basic layout and text organization skills to take steady orders. As you build more completed sample portfolios, new clients will discover your services organically. This business grows easier over time, delivering steady passive income in the late stages. After learning all 10 of these business models, you'll unlock the unfiltered truth about earning money. Everyone chases trendy, flashy, glamorous income ideas, which is why those markets are oversaturated, hyper-competitive, and rarely profitable. The ventures that reliably deliver overnight passive income are always the dull, bothersome ideas that most people overlook. Average people earn money by trading their physical labor and spare time. Smart people build automated systems and leverage compound growth to let income work for them. You put in consistent effort for a short period to build one of these simple, boring business frameworks, then the system operates nonstop for you 24 hours a day. It makes money while you sleep, generates revenue while you relax, and keeps earning even when you travel. None of these methods will make you a millionaire overnight, but they are safe, stable, zero risk, and sustainable long-term side income options for everyday people. If you'd like me to compile a full step-by-step implementation checklist covering all 10 sleep income businesses, complete with detailed workflows and monetization strategies for each, leave a comment below, and I'll release a dedicated hands-on tutorial video next. If this video brought you value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bells. I'll keep sharing genuine, actionable passive income ideas that regular people can launch with zero funds. I'll see you in the next video.